tonight.
Look at him go.
It's like it's trying to fly, but it can't.
Yeah, it looked like it was having a heart attack.
Maybe you have to like toss it in the air. Let me see one.
Run, Kayla! Oh my god. That's bright. Stop trying to fight the neighbors over fireworks. Although, good idea. It's like not the worst idea, not gonna lie.
All right, Lou, come on.
Oh. Oh.
That kind of hurt my ear a little.
I know.
Who wants the light one? Well, whoever's here first.
Oh no!
That was scary.
Hey, well, that's a little too close to the house there. No?
I'm staying where it's safe.
Exactly. What? Get out of the way! Oh. That was nice.
Uh-huh.
Why is it still going off? Is it?
There's 100 balls in there.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's only 8. That was there's nothing that way.
This is a
That's
baby
why
one.
they're shooting that way.
So what you're saying is, which means it might blow up really big. Little handheld grenades. Dude, go get my torch, bro. Just learn how to use that lighter. It's brand new.
Oh, if you want to light your little bomb, use the torch.
Holy. What? Wasn't it supposed to explode?
That was cute.
That was loud.
What the hell up?
Oh.
That's a Roman candle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hey, whoa. You're getting a little too close to our house.
Oh, I'm a little scared.
I'm not. Oh no.
I'm not scared.
You literally said, "Oh, I'm not scared," and then you scream at the top of your lungs.
Might as well. There's some people who live here. Y'all remember
I'm
this
not
one?
scared. Ah!
I no way I didn't get that on camera. Did you get that? No. Damn. I wanted to. Me too. I didn't realize that they were saying that until I shot it hit the. Oh no! Oh god.
You might have to get a lighter. We ain't got a dog in the show.
We gotta light a big one just to show off.
Oh shit, run!
Fuse tire dysfunction.
I don't like this anymore.
Hey, look.
I'm scared.
I'm like so close.
Nah, his What is this, a duel?
Duel of the Fates.
It's a baby one.
I think they win.
I didn't mean to scream.
They got some good ones. Those are cool.
I think.
We get a grand entrance.
What if they just drop it?
That's a nice car too.
Drive on through. You don't want to be hit. Drive by.
Drive by.
Drive by.
Just gonna start hitting them with fire.
Your camera's better than mine.
Uh-huh.
Why is it still going off?
Is it?
There's 100 pounds in there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's only 8.
That was
Oh!
Okay, back in.
Back it up! Take cover! It's a bomb! Yeah!
Get this on camera. Where's he at?
Where the hell you going?
Bad luck.
Uh-oh.
I would use the torch for it.
I can't.
Nah, he has a fuse on. Nobody plug your ears.
I can only plug one of them.
Hello? What am I looking at? I was seeing it takes a long time.
Look at him go.
Does it seem like it's exploding?
Hold on. It might work.
No, it's just on fire.
That went up in flames.
We just started a fire!
Psych! I didn't do it right.
Darn!
No!
What if it blows up when you get it? Let it die, let it die.
Let it shrivel up and die!
You're what?
Oh my god. Nigel, you're literally playing with fire!
Let him do it.
Comes back
It
in.
smells good.
Three chicken.
I love the smell of fireworks.
I'm gonna come join you guys up here. It's toasty in here. It's toasty everywhere. My neck up.
That was annoying.
Oh, hi, you join us. You're just playing with fire.
Again, babe, again. It's not the first one I made.
Woo! I'm about to it's gonna blow. Oh! Get it, I guess.
I love when it's the single night you're allowed to set off explosives.
Oh.
Legally shared. I'm trying to like pretend I got shot.
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh! Hey, broski, I suggest you watch out. This is not the road to be driving on.
We should have like a
We
sign
got
at the end of
some.
the street, like
got
fireworks going off.
Please don't come in. You may be hit.
Dave.
Alright, hey, if I don't come back.
I'm not hiding this.
Oh, yeah, Mom. Don't worry. No, I don't like it.
Ah. My
I have a video of you screaming at the top of your
My
lungs.
toe's
That
still
was
bleeding from
great.
when the bomb went off.
There's still a coal on the ground, Gabby. Go touch it. See that glowing rock?
Go touch it.
Go touch it. It grants magical power.
me to touch the glowing.
I'm on 800. Go follow me. I got you.
You like the next one?
Why does your camera quality suck?
Bracelet.
I don't like this.
Shoes.
I'm not wearing shoes and I let it.
Here, I got you.
I let the big one.
Calm yourself.
He said, you want a big one? I was like,
Mom, put those on. Put those on.
wait a minute.
Walk up there.
Went out.
Ride it.
Why do I keep on having to hold this phone?
Ride it.
Let it explode!
That's it?
Here, Kira.
One.
Here, Kira.
She wants that thing gone.
Kira,
Light
Kira,
panel's on
go
fire.
blow something up. Oh, there's a car. Oh my God. We're just intersecting ways here. This is not the road to be driving on right now.
My shoes back though. These are Jacob's. I'll get you.
Run!
Come on, Kira. I don't like this. There's too much happening at once. Is it ever gonna end? Hey, whoa! Landed on me.
Wait.
Those ones suck. They're supposed to fly. Yeah, they're supposed to fly.
Oh, is that that?
Yeah.
It's still on fire.
I'll throw it up in the air.
Oh, okay. Hold up.
Back it up, Terry.
That was the weakest firework ever. Okay. Let me up. I'm getting up. Gabby, can you hold my phone? Let me do it. It's fake. No! Get out of my house! Hey, bro. Gabby, give me back my phone. Jesus.
Oh my god, I can't.
Yeah, that's where I needed to be recording. When you couldn't get out the daggum truck.
I'm using. This is a kidnapping! Help it! So we're just running inside opposite directions.
Yeah, once he lights, we're gonna run in opposite directions. Run that way. This way. Here, let's try in the middle. Yeah.
Just run all
way, some
opposite
go this way.
directions.
Damn it, I missed you.
Where am I supposed to run? No!
I can be dramatic. Wait a minute. No, you can. Wait a minute.
God, that's such a long
ugly, yeah.
Suck. Remember that we're related. Oh my god. Oh, which one that was? But
I hope Gavin gets hit.
I know, right? I don't want to sit there. I feel like I was probably fall.
Dude, everyone wants to then try to win and what's going on right now.
Hi guys, I'm at Disney World right now. It's the 50th anniversary.
Where'd it go? I just did that.
Jump through it.